This video is sponsored by Boifun. Yes my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again and ready for a brand new year. And on that note guys, Happy New Year my friends, and I hope you all have a fantastic 2022 ahead. So you may have seen my previous reviews on the Ring and QL video doorbells and saw how much I love these products. But in case you haven't, make sure you click the link above to check out those videos later on. Video doorbells are an absolute must in my opinion, and I highly recommend them to help protect your home or property. Checking to see who's at the front door or providing instructions to the postman are just some of the benefits of owning this type of device. You literally have access to view your front door at any moment or any time throughout the day. So when Boifun reached out to me and asked me to review their Bell J1 video doorbell, I wasted no time in saying yes and wanted to see just how good this product was compared to other video doorbells I've reviewed on the channel. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by smashing that like button below. Let's set a nice and easy target of 15 likes, which I know you guys can easily smash. And if you want to stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then defo hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, so first things first, as we always do on the channel, let's check out the packaging. Now Boifun have decided to keep things very simple here. On front, you have the product logo, as well as the product name on the side. Finally, towards the back, you have a list of features, as well as an image of the Boifun doorbell and chime included inside. You also have company information towards the bottom. Now, once opened, the first thing you will see is a user manual, followed by the Boifun video doorbell, one chime, which activates when the doorbell is pressed, one toolbox, which contains one micro USB cable to charge the video doorbell, screws and tools for installation, and finally, some adhesive stickers. In regards to the product breakdown, starting with the video doorbell, the device weighs roughly around 650 grams and has a length of 12.5 centimeters. The material is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and solid. You have the 1080p 2 megapixel camera on front, followed by the motion sensor, speaker, doorbell button, and LED indicator lights. Towards the bottom, you have the micro USB input to charge the battery inside, as well as the reset button. And finally, on the side, you have a built-in microphone to allow two-way audio. Now, once the doorbell is removed from the mounting bracket, towards the back, you have the power contacts, which are used for hardwiring in case you wanted a wired connection, where the hardwire terminals are located on the mounting bracket, and a battery case, which once removed exposes the rechargeable battery, and finally a 32GB micro SD card used to store footage. Now when it comes to the chime, on front you have the speaker as well as an LED indicator light, and finally towards the back you have the reset button and USB port to power the chime. Now to get this bad boy up and running, ensure your device is fully charged, which Boifun recommend doing for 8 to 10 hours before installation. Once charged, start by downloading the CloudEdge app from the Google Play or Apple App Store, and then wait for the installation to complete. Next, open the app and you will then be prompted to sign into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one by clicking the Sign Up Now button located below. Once logged in, you will then be presented with the home screen, which shows you a list of connected devices. To add your doorbell, select the plus icon on the top right and then select Smart Doorbell tab. Proceed by selecting Video Doorbell and ensure your device is close to your Wi-Fi router in order to get the best signal possible. The next step will require you to press the video doorbell and then hit next on the app. From here, you will then need to reset your device using the pin provided inside and wait for the LED indicator light to flash red. You will then be prompted to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, one important note here guys, the device will only work with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, so just bear that in mind when you get to this stage. Enter your Wi-Fi password and then hit next. Remove the protective film from the video doorbell and then scan the QR code displayed on the app. The app will then start connecting to the Boifun doorbell. Once located, finalize device installation, wait for completion, and you should be good to go from here. To install the chime, once the doorbell installation is complete, connect the chime to a power supply and then wait for the device to activate. After a couple of seconds, the chime should then locate the doorbell and the connection between the two should now be established. Regarding the installation of your video doorbell, Boifun do provide all the tools you need to set up your device. However, please note, before installing, you will need access to a power drill in order to make your holes and mount the doorbell. Start by marking your 2 points using the mounting bracket and then grab your power drill and start making your holes. Place the plastic covers inside and then mount the bracket on top. Insert the 2 screws to lock the mounting bracket in place, and then apply the adhesive stickers onto the back of the doorbell. Place the doorbell inside and then finalize by installing the security screw towards the bottom. Once done, you should be good to go from here. The CloudEdge app is very easy to navigate through. Once loaded, you are presented with the home screen where you can find a list of your connected devices. When a device is selected, you can then view a live feed of your camera and toggle through HD and SD quality. The camera also has night vision support, which automatically changes as soon as it gets dark. Under the Live tab, you have a bunch of features which allow you to take screenshots, use a 2-way audio system, start recording, edit the motion detection sensitivity. You also have Album, which shows you a list of saved screenshots and recordings. The History tab shows you a log of previous activity picked up by the camera, which can also be filtered by date using the Calendar button. And finally, the Cloud tab, which shows you your supported cloud features such as storage. The Message tab shows you information on alerts, device sharing, system messages and support. And finally, the Me tab, which provides you with user information. When it comes to the technical details, the device has a 166-degree wide-angled lens, which comes in Full HD, as well as an IP66 waterproof rating, making it perfect for those rainy days. The doorbell has a 6700 mAh battery built inside, which Boifun claim can last up to 3 months, which is pretty good. You also have night vision support of up to 20 feet, which is great to see, giving you clear viewing quality even during the late hours of night. The motion detection feature sends a notification to your mobile phone each time movement is detected, and is smart enough to know whether it's a human or pet causing the movement. When motion detection is not activated or no one presses the doorbell will change to sleep mode in order to preserve battery life. You have 2-way audio to communicate with users interacting with the doorbell, as well as cloud storage available via monthly subscription fee. Finally, the device comes with a 32GB micro SD card, but can support up to 128 GB and has 2-year warranty in case any issues occur later on in the future. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, I gotta say guys, in comparison to market leaders like Ring and Nest video doorbells, Boifun in my opinion have done an amazing job in providing a video doorbell which gives you a range of features available. Just like Ring and Nest, I love that you can view alerts on your mobile phone sent by the video doorbell each time the bell is pressed or when motion is detected, and easily view a live feed of the camera using the CloudEdge app. The 2-way audio works great, and the night vision support of up to 20 feet is definitely appreciated. The battery life is also sufficient, and I love that the camera preserves battery life when not in use to make the device last longer. The 1080p FHD camera is also great to see, alongside the 166-degree viewing angle, which allows you to cover a greater field of view. Now, if there were 2 things I would change about the doorbell, which I feel like Ring and Nest did a little bit better, it would first be to change the mounting bracket, which I feel like pushes out the doorbell even more, making the product stick out further. Finally, when it comes to motion detection, on the CloudEdge app, you can only set motion based on level intensity. However, on the Ring video doorbell, you can actually draw up the motion detection areas so that you will only be notified once your perimeter is accessed. However, drawbacks aside, as a whole and for the price you pay, you really do get your money's worth here guys. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Boifun video doorbell from Amazon for around £80, which I think is an absolute bargain, and you can find the links to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Thanks again to Boifun for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys all found today's video super helpful. If you did, please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below, and if you guys are planning on getting the Boifun video doorbell, then let me know in the comments below what you really liked about it. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.